Compassion, kindness, love. We lack it. We live in a world where political correctness is more valued than emotional correctness. But how are you supposed to agree with someone if you don't listen to them first? Compassion and love goes beyond simply being empathetic. It means you are consciously taking action to help other people. Here are 4 acts of love and kindness you can try today. 1. Be present. Watch how you spend your time with someone. When having a conversation, ask questions about how they are. Stay engaged, keep eye contact, and listen to them. This means giving them your focus and undivided attention and putting your phone away and being mindful of them. 2. Words of affirmation. Use them in your daily life. This includes complimenting people and vocalizing how you feel to someone and how much you may appreciate them. Whatever you say should be encouraging. Compliment a stranger. Make someone feel good. 3. Lend a helping hand. Help out if you know someone is stressed out. Offering to help out with someone's workload, whether it's at work, school, or around the house, is a great way to assist someone if they need it. This also lets a person know that you're there for them if they need anything, and that you care for them. 4. Show your ongoing support. If someone is going through hardships or are trying to reach a goal, all that person needs is encouragement. That could include going to any appointments, shows, or simply giving them a hug. Compassion is contagious. It has a chain reaction and inspires further acts of kindness within yourself and others. We need to think bigger, be more loving, be kinder. Next time you're with a friend, family member, or even a stranger, how can you build them up with these 4 acts of love and kindness?